Welcome to our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Today we are going to discuss minerals in India. India is a rich source of various minerals. Let us discuss about these minerals. Before starting the point, we just know about minerals and ore. Minerals are naturally occurring substance obtained by mining. Minerals contains the metal either in free state or in the compound state. Ore. Ore is a mineral from which metal can be extracted economically and it is the easy method to extract. The extraction of metal from the ore is known as metallurgy. Iron. The chemical formula of iron is Fe. The important ores of iron are magnetite and hematite. Magnetite. The chemical formula is Fe3O4. It is the rich content of iron about 72%. Magnetite is found in Kuduremukha, Karnataka. Nearly 73% of magnetite is deposited in Karnataka, Kuduremukha, and 14% in Andhra Pradesh and 5% in Tamil Nadu and rest of in the various other states. Second one, hematite, Fe2O3. Hematite contains 60 to 70% of iron. Hematite found in Odisha, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. 209 million tons of iron is produced in India. Australia and Brazil having highest reserves of iron. China is the leading producer of iron. Next one, aluminium. Chemical formula of aluminium is Al. Important ore of aluminium is bauxite. Bauxite consists 77% of aluminium. Bauxite found in Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Jharkhand. India produces 3.9 billion tons of aluminium in every year. Major mines are Koraput, Kalahari, Raigad. In the world, Australia, Guyana and Vietnam are the leading producer of aluminium. Next one, lead. The chemical formula of lead is Pb. Galena is a principal ore of lead. India has 2.5 metric tons of lead present, found in Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. Lead is corrosion resistant, ductile and bad conductor of electricity. Australia and China are the leading producer of lead. Zinc. Chemical formula of zinc is Zn. The important ore is zinc sulfide, ZnSO4. Zinc is used in galvanizing steel. In galvanizing process of steel, zinc is added to increase the strength of steel. Along with iron, zinc is added in the manufacturing process. It is the second most trace metal after iron. Zinc is present in our insulin in human body. India produces 10 metric tons of zinc in every year. Zinc is found in Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh. Zinc is used in galvanization and preparation of bronze and brass. In world, Australia and China are the leading producer of zinc. Next one, gold. The chemical formula of gold is Au. Gold is the costliest metal. India having 655 tons of gold. Gold production 99% in Karnataka. In Karnataka, Hatti and Kolara gold field are the major gold mines. Other states, Bihar, Rajasthan, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. Gold is malleable and ductile metal. Least reactive to chemical element. Australia and South Africa, Russia are the leading producer of gold. Next one, silver. Chemical formula of silver is Ag. Silver having high electric and thermal conductivity. Barak deposit in Rajasthan, only silver deposit in India, occurs along with lead, zinc, sulfur as a byproduct. China and Australia are the leading producer of silver. Next one, manganese. Chemical formula of manganese is Mg. Commercial ore are pyrolusite, manganese. Ore present in India, Madhya Pradesh, Gondet deposit, Maharashtra, Bandara and Nagpur deposit, Odisha, Kudrite and Kondolite deposit. India produces 2.6 metric tons of manganese. Manganese added to steel to increase its strength. Used in blast furnace. South Africa and Australia supplies manganese to India. Leading producer of manganese are South Africa and Ukraine. Tungsten. Chemical formula of tungsten is W. Important ore, wolframite and scalite. Tungsten's reserves are 42% in Karnataka and 27% in Rajasthan and rest in various states of India. The melting point of tungsten is 3422 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 5930 degrees Celsius. It has high melting point as well as high boiling point. Tungsten is used in electric bulbs filament. Russia and China having highest reserves of tungsten. Next one, copper. Chemical formula of copper is Cu. The copper reserves found in India are at Rajasthan 54%, Jharkhand 19.5% and Madhya Pradesh 18.8%. Copper plus tin mixture is known as bronze and copper plus zinc mixture is known as brass. Copper is used in an electric wire. To supply the electric current, the wire is made up of copper. Copper has a high electric conductivity. Chile, Australia, Peru are the leading producer of copper. Next one, coal. Found in Gondwana fields. Producing states Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal. Major coal fields in India are Singrauli, Bokaro, Raniganj, Zaria. Coal is known as black gold, contains carbon, volatile matter and moistures. Formed about 350 million years ago. Carboniferous age. 350 million years ago age is known as Carboniferous age because of the presence of coal. Older the coal reserves, the higher the value of carbon contents and least the impurity present. Classifications are peat. If the coal amount contains 40% of carbon, it is known as peat. Lignite. If the carbon present in 40 to 55%, it is known as lignite. If the carbon amount present in 40 to 80%, it is known as bituminous. Indonesia, Australia, South Africa are the leading producer of coals. Petroleum. 90 to 95% of petroleum consists of hydrocarbons with richly propane and butane. There are two types of oil production, onshore oil production and offshore oil production. Brahmaputra Valley of Northeast India, Barmer area of Rajasthan, Gujarat coast in Western India are the example for onshore oil production. Assam oil field, Digboli oil field is the oldest oil field in India. Offshore oil field production. Western coast Mumbai High Basin and Alibet, Eastern coast Krishna Godavari Delta are the example for offshore oil field production. First pipeline constructed in India is Barauni pipeline. World's largest underground pipeline, Hazira Bijapur Jagadishpur gas pipeline. Largest LPG pipeline in the world is Jamanagar Luni pipeline. India is the 11th place in consumption of petroleum. America, Saudi Arabia, Russia, Canada are the leading consumption countries in the world. Venezuela, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq are the leading producer of petroleum in the world. OPEC, Organization for Petroleum Exporting Country, founded by 5 member states, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi and Venezuela. They control the production and supply of the crude oil into the world. Next one, natural gas. Natural gas is a mixture of ethane and methane. The best example for natural gas is biogas. Natural gas is an example for renewable gas. Types of gas. Only gas, it is known as dry gas. Oil plus gas known as wet gas. Hydrogen sulfide in a gas is known as sour gas. Coal bed methane is known as sweet gas. Natural gas is mainly used in electric power generation and the production of aluminium. Russia and Iran are the leading producer of natural gas. Next one, uranium. Chemical formula of uranium is U. Uranium is a radioactive element. Silvery grey metallic radioactive chemical element is uranium. Monazite sands comprises large source of uranium. Found in Kerala coast, Jadugunda in Singboma thrust belt, Hazirabad district of Jharkhand, Gayan district of Bihar. Leading producer are Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh is the largest reserves in India. Uranium is used in a nuclear fission element in a nuclear power plant where uranium fuses into krypton and barium. Next one, thorium. The chemical formula of thorium is Th. Atomic number is 90. Thorium is found in earth crust and monazite sand. Thoronite mineral carries thorium. Leading producer of thorium are Kerala, Jharkhand, Bihar, Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan. India having largest thorium reserves in the world. India is the leading producer of the thorium in the world. Thorium is also used in nuclear power plant as a fission material. Next one, limestone. Limestone comprises of calcium carbonate. The chemical formula of calcium carbonate is CaCO3. Found in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan. India having reserves of 200 billion tons. Limestone is mainly used in cement industry, iron and steel industry and chemical industry. In iron industry, along with iron, lime is added to as a flux to decrease the gangue present in the iron ore. Lime is used to make flooring stone and making slabs of tiles. Along with these minerals, India also having the trace amount of nickel, potassium, sodium, tin, graphite, chromium, magnesium and diamond. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. We already dealt with the topics Indian Constitution, History, Political Science, Geography, Chemistry, Astronomy, General Science. These all topics are very important for every competitive exam. Please subscribe our YouTube channel so you can get the update from our channels. Thank you.